Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to link EA account to YouTube. All right, let's begin. First, open an internet browser and go to the YouTube website. Make sure you are signed in to your YouTube account. Once you are logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings. From the left side menu, click on Connected Apps. Scroll down until you find Electronic Arts in the list of available services. Next to EA, click on the Connect button. You will see a message explaining that linking your accounts can unlock in-game rewards. Go ahead and press Connect, then click Continue to move forward. You will now be redirected to the EA sign-in page. Enter your EA account email address and password, then press Sign In. After signing in, review the permissions shown on the screen. Scroll down and click Allow to approve the connection between your accounts. Once this is done, your YouTube account will be successfully linked to your EA account. You can now qualify for eligible in-game rewards and promotions linked to YouTube. So that's basically how you can link EA account to YouTube. That's it for this video. Thanks.